Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is Tuesday, December 9, 2025, second trading day of the week. Let's take a look at the watch list. So as you can see, VIX plus 1.20%. So market is slightly having a bearish price action here. Significant moves for the different stock tickers here are Poyet, minus 2.01%, and also JD about minus 1.97%. So the rest of the stock tickers are within plus minus 2%, so it's relatively I would say relatively neutral here. Let's look at the trades that's in place. Okay, so today trades that has been placed, it's about Pfizer here. So today I just wrote a Pfizer call from January 9 to January 23 at the strike price of $28 here. So I got a credit of about 0.06 cents. And then I also stack up STZ from the same expiration date, January 2nd, from 133 to 136 here. So got a credit of zero point 0.4. So why I do so? Because STZ is having a bullish price action here, and this is relatively a stable stock and is not really affected by the Fed rate cut. So having a bullish price action here for STZ, it's quite a stable stock. So that's why I just stack it up to gain the extra credit, and also the percentage value for this position has been greater than 100%. So this is why I did the stacking up here. So I think that's all for today. So let's see how's the market is doing today. So stocks edge higher after job openings data. Stock market today, Dow edges up. So generally it's quite bullish here, and although the technology sector and the communication service sector are affected, but the rest of sectors are all green. Yep. Okay. So that's all for today. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube video, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this YouTube video, and also turn on your notification bell. So have a great day, everyone. I'll just continue to monitor and see if there's any more trades to be placed. So signing off here.